What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Xbox controller to your iPhone. So what you want to do guys is to go to your iPhone and you're going to go to settings. Now once you go to settings, you're going to go to Bluetooth, as you guys are seeing right there. So what you want to do guys is to turn on your Xbox controller by pressing this button right here. Now it is on. What you want to do is trigger the Bluetooth by pressing this signal button right here. Hold on it until you see it start blinking faster. So guys, that's basically blinking. So what you want to do now is to go to your phone Bluetooth and you will see Xbox wireless controller right there. So you're gonna click on this and it should connect. So as you guys can see guys, now it is being connected. Now you can use your Xbox controller to play some game on it, right? So but basically when I use like this, it may not work. So what you want to do guys is to basically to go to a game on your phone, and I'll show you guys how this basically works. So I'm gonna go to a game and I'm gonna play Call of Duty. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you now how this basically works. So let me go in multiplayer. I'm going to start. So as you guys can see on the screen right here, B to cancel, so that this controller guys is basically connected. So I'm going to just maneuver some play to show you guys basically how this works. Guys, now the controller is not connected. You guys basically can see some gameplay right here. So guys, get the idea that now guys I can use my controller to basically play with my phone. So there are other games that I can play with the controller. I'm gonna make another follow-up video to show you guys a list of videos, game that you can play on your mobile phone with this controller right here. So if this video was helpful, thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and I see you guys in my next video.